Running a business is exciting, but it can also feel very tiring when you have to handle many tasks every day. Entrepreneurs often struggle with replying to leads, sending follow up messages, managing clients, tracking the payments, and running marketing campaigns at the same time. When everything is done manually, it wastes time and energy. This is where automation becomes very powerful, and that is why many entrepreneurs use GoHighLevel to simplify their daily workflow. GoHighLevel is an all-in-one business automation platform. It helps entrepreneurs to manage leads, customers, marketing, and communication from one place. Instead of using many different tools, GoHighLevel brings everything together so your work becomes easier and faster. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and share useful tools along with the special offers whenever it's available. And if that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to use the link from description. By using the link from description, you will be able to use the GoHighLevel for the 30 days as a free trial, not the 14 days, and you will get the access to the live bootcamp and get some exclusive bonuses to get started with GoHighLevel. So don't miss that out. Check the link from description and grab the offer. Now let's come to the main part of the video and see how GoHighLevel helps entrepreneurs to automate their workflow in a simple way. One of the biggest problems entrepreneurs face is the lead management. Leads come from different places like websites, ads, or social media. GoHighLevel automatically collects all the leads in one dashboard. You don't need to check your emails or messages again and again. Everything stays organized and no lead is forgotten. Communication is another area where GoHighLevel saves a lot of time. Instead of manually sending messages, you can set the automatic follow-ups. When a lead fills a form or sends a message, GoHighLevel can reply automatically through SMS, email, or even the social messages. These help you to respond fast even when you are busy or sleeping. Appointment and booking are also very easy with GoHighLevel. Entrepreneurs often waste time going back and forth to fix the meeting time. GoHighLevel allows clients to book appointments by themselves. The system sends reminders automatically, which reduces missed meetings and saves your time. For marketing, GoHighLevel is very powerful. You can build simple landing pages and funnels without any technical skills. Once someone signs up, GoHighLevel can move them through an automated journey. This means emails, messages, and follow-ups are sent at the right time without you doing anything manually. Client management becomes much easier with GoHighLevel. You can see all the client details, conversions, and notes in one place. This helps you to understand your customers better and provide better service. When your service improves, clients trust you more and stay longer. Another helpful feature is the automation workflow. You can create simple automation rules. This removes the repeated tasks from your daily work and gives you more free time to focus on growth. GoHighLevel also supports team collaboration. If you work with staff or freelancers, you can assign tasks and track the activities inside the system. Everyone knows what to do and work becomes more organized. For entrepreneurs, time is very valuable. GoHighLevel helps you to stop wasting time on small tasks and focus on big decisions. Automation reduces stress, increases the consistency, and help your business to run smoothly, even when you are not working actively. To sum it up, GoHighLevel helps entrepreneurs to automate lead management, communication, appointments, marketing, and client handling all in one simple platform. It replaces many tools and makes daily workflow faster and more organized. Now, I hope you understand. So that's it basically. Thank you so much for watching this video on Easy Access Tech. If this video helped you understand GoHighLevel better, give it a like and share it with other entrepreneurs. Don't forget to check the link from description to get any available special offer. And I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.